Okay friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to talk about the new version of Filmora 8.6.1. If you don't know, it is an video editing software which is really good and one of the best one, I think. Today I'm going to tell you how to hack or crack the new Filmora 8.6.1. So, a new version of Filmora is out, version 8.6.1, and it has some new changes which makes it a little hard to crack. But worry not, because I'm going to tell you how to crack without any registration keys or anything. So, to use it for free, just follow these steps and enjoy. So, the first step is to open the task manager, that is Control plus Alt plus Delete. Then go to the Details tab on the Task Manager and find WS Helper. When you find it, right click on it and open the file location. Then end the process of WS Helper in the Task Manager and go to the file location that you have just opened and delete wshelper.exe. Now the next step is to go to the following location, that is C Windows System 32 drivers etc, and copy the host file at that location to your desktop. Now you have to open the copied file in the notepad and add the following line at the end, that is 127.0.0.1 platform.wondershare.com, and then save and replace the host file in C Windows System 32 driver etc. Your work here is now done. Now all you have to do is open the Filmora Wondershare 8.6.1 software. Log in to your account that you have to create using a fake or real email ID and do your editing. Remember, our main goal is to remove the watermark at the end when we export the video. So all you have to do is disconnect your internet when you have to export. So there will be no watermark in the exported video. This is all you have to do. You don't need any activation key. And you can use the full-fledged. Even if you want to download the new effects, go to there must be a YouTube video to how to download effects for free. Install them, use those effects, and when you have to export, just disconnect your internet. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share, subscribe to my channel.